Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learning with Haripriya. Sometimes two English words sound exactly the same but have different meanings. These words are called homophones. So, homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. For example, right. Here are some more examples. See, sun, buy, break, here, no, flour, pear. One, two, meat, week, road, peace, allowed, plain, tail, whole. Die, blue, board, sail, steel, wait, night, ring, stare, weather. Wood, mail, principal, sell, scent, roll, scene, wait, ate, I. So, sew, which, dear, fair, buy, no, here, sun, see, right. So, homophones are very common in English, so learning them can help you avoid spelling mistakes. Follow for more English lessons.